They tried to make me go to rehab. I said, tried to make me go to rehab. I said,
Desert Eagle remix.
what's up, baby? Woo! Tried to make me go to rehab. I said, no, no, no. What's up, baby? Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no.
Wait a minute.
I ain't got the time. Woo! And if my daddy thinks I'm fine, they try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, go, go. I'd rather be at home with Brad. I ain't got 70 days. 'Cause there's nothing you can teach me that I can't learn from Mr. Hathaway. I didn't get a lot in class, but I know it don't come in a shot glass. They tried to make me go to rehab. I said, tried to make me